Ka dorbar senrai ka basan singi jong ka ying dorbar thau an jong ka jala ka basdang menta ka singi khandai tarik nei lor kalong ka bayat bej hakaba ka resolution ka bay dei ban dawa weng yu lampang eti mandal rulawan ra hapo ka dorbar pat yo ban pedang ya ka jing manjur hadien ka jingdon jong ki MLA ka belayang ban kershan ya ka te ka resolution ka bat tip kong ka no confidence habawan ra ya ka no confidence ulampang ulabo ya ka jing terwa ka ying dorbar laki don em ki dekhot ki kershan pat indala yu i ya ka jingdon ki MLA lani ka korom la pedang ya ka pat labo tarik haka khan ri tarik nai lor ka badai ru ka singi kot jong ka dorbar senrai.
I have received a resolution for removal of Speaker dated 30th August 2016, submitted by Shri James K. Sangma, Honorable MLA under the Article 179C of the Constitution of India and Rule 135 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The resolution read as follows. Resolution, whereas Shri A.T. Mondal, Speaker Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has failed to carry out his duties and responsibilities as a Speaker. Now therefore, this House expresses its want of confidence in him and hereby resolves to remove him from the office of Speaker. Under Rule 135 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, the Honourable Mover should have leave of the House to move his resolution. Now may I request the Honourable Members to rise in their places to support the resolution. Yes, please. Since more than 1/5 of the total member of the House, that is 12 members, have risen and supported the resolution, the member is having the leave of the House to introduce the resolution, and accordingly I grant leave and admit the resolution. I have decided to fix 16 September 2016 for taking up the resolution after all the business for the day is disposed of. I would also like to inform the House that I have received a letter from the Honourable Chief Minister dated 8 September 2016. The letter read as follows. Dear Honourable Speaker, I am pleased to inform you that I have received a resignation letter from Sri W.D. Sangma today from resigning from the post of Parliamentary Secretary. I would also like to further inform you that his resignation from the post of Parliamentary Secretary has been accepted. I am therefore to request you to give necessary direction as may be required for the sitting arrangement in the House. With best regards, yours sincerely, signed Dr. Mukul Sangma. The seat has been accordingly arranged. Now let us come to next item.
Yakani ka resolution lawan ra do MLA ka NPP u James K Sangma parabala yo pan kelina u James nakadaw ayu lawan ra yak resolution laong kidaw ki bon henry ki ba khmat do kidai ka jingbom dan chong yeng dorbar thawan hadu menta pat khawai ka dei naka jing pelong ru yaki dorbar ki belingkot hakapor.
I have moved a resolution for the removal of Speaker dated 30th of September, keeping in mind the constitutional provisions and the rules of procedure, that 14 days notice has to be given. So the resolution was today admitted by the Honourable Speaker because we had the requisite number, more than 1/5 of the House, who stood up in support of the resolution. The text of the resolution states that this House has now lost the confidence in the functioning of the Speaker. Why we feel that this is the case is because despite repeated requests time and time again, we are always, despite having so many issues that need to be discussed on the floor of the House. We are always given 4 to 5 days maximum of session in the autumn session particularly. We feel that by doing this, the Honorable Speaker is curtailing the vibrancy of the legislature. He is not allowing the legislature to function properly, effectively, which is why we felt that it is high time that we give a strong message in the form of this resolution seeking his removal. Apart from that, there are many other issues also. Well, I can just name another one, is that the construction of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building, as you all know, has been pending. That we as citizens of Meghalaya, especially we as legislators, as lawmakers, as members of this very august house, don't have a assembly building even till date. We feel that this, if a little bit of sincerity had been there, could have been avoided. We could have had an assembly building if there was more sincerity and dedication on the part of the Honorable Speaker. So by doing this, we hope to send a very strong message to the Speaker in a very democratic, constitutional, legal manner, that these are things that we want to place on record by way of our dissent, that the Assembly Secretariat and the Legislative Wing the legislature should expedite the process for the construction of the assembly building, and also give more time to allow the legislature to go on and carry out their responsibilities with adequate time. So these are the reasons why we have moved this resolution for the removal of Speaker. Well, the text clearly states, under the rules mentioned, that this is a resolution for the removal of the Speaker. Yes, we could have moved a motion of no confidence against the government, but then again, where is the time? So now, if we want to debate, we want to move a no confidence motion against the government to express our displeasure and to bring about issues wherein we can highlight the plight of the common man in the assembly, and also move a no confidence. There is no time. So again, to answer your question whether it is against the government, it is not, because we don't have time to move any no confidence motions against the government. As an opposition, I believe that the public has given us a mandate, and we as a responsible opposition feel that we have to keep raising our voices. And if our voices fall on deaf ears, then we will raise the pitch. We will shout louder. And I think this is a way that we show our dissent, and this is the way that we raise our pitch and shout in a more louder way.
Hak jogasngi ulampang ulapan tepru halor ka jingpediang jong menteri rangba ka jela Dr. Mukul Sangma ka sithi enokam jong MLA Winasan di Sangma ko parliamentary secretary ubalapha haka pratarik nailor shushuru ulampang ulapan tepru yakathup kerteng jong ki MLA kibla chathung kum ki chairman ki pukanthop yakatikanchi di Shira Winasan di Sangma bro arngot nakaliang senchar ba Tita Star Well Khan paduba waiting mosor ki banakaliang persha.
In pursuance of Rule 9, Sub-Rule 1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, I nominate following members to constitute the panel of chairmen for the autumn session 2016. Shrimati Dikansi di Shira, Shri Winar Shon di Sangma, Shri Tito Star Well Khain, and Shri Waiting Mosor.